Come gather round, good folks, and hear a tale of roads both far and near, about a Ford that roamed from shore to shore, a faithful truck called Seymour. Born back in 207's year, paint bright white and shining clear. That 6-liter engine was a challenge to endure, but not for the likes of Seymour. Oh, Seymour, Seymour, steady on the trail, through mountain storms and the driving hail. From 49 states to 1,000,000 miles more, there rode the legend Seymour. Now Seymour knew his share of strife. An EGR cooler failed in midlife, a valve cover leak and a few troubles more, but he always returned to the road once more. He hauled an Airstream far and long, like a faithful steed in an old-time song. Every mile carved his tale into folklore, the wanderer called Seymour. Oh, Seymour, Seymour, faithful as the day, from the Tetons blue to the Santa Fe way. A little warm around the edges, but strong at the core, so traveled the truck named Seymour. And folks would grin at the name he bore, but it meant much more. At its very core, it was all about loving to explore. That was the spirit of Seymour. Then came the time to rebuild his might, a stock plus turbo spinning bright, new fuel and air that made his heart beat sore. That old truck ran like never before, with additives flowing through each vein, and diesel doctors easing years of strain. He rose again stronger than ever before, a diesel hot rod Seymour. Oh, Seymour, Seymour, better than before. Hear the turbo sing and the diesel roar, with a brand new fire in his engine's core. Long live the legend Seymour. So if you wander far someday and see an Airstream on the open way, with a white Ford towing like in tales of yore, you'll know you've glimpsed old Seymour. Oh, Seymour, Seymour, steady to the end, a loyal truck and a lifelong